My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. No! I'm just upset that I took an L. It's fine. Everything's gonna be okay. The second piece of bad news is that one of my Yeezy Zions got stolen. Here's the shipment for today. Got a bunch of Jordan 1s, a bunch of Zions, and then we have the Jordan 12s. More Shoe Palace checkouts. Holy crap. Oh yes, 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 yes. This is exactly the way I wanted it to go. More Shoe Palace order confirmations. That's a lot of order confirmations. 28 of them are Jordan 1s and one of them is a Yeezy 350 Zion. See if I could take more W's on the next episode. Earlier today, we were able to cop a Jordan 1 smoke gray restock from Foot Locker. Everybody's thinking that this is fake stock, but I don't think so because I copped with PayPal via Koda and my order did not get canceled. So I'm straight over there. I've been getting so many Jordan 1 smoke grays. It's amazing. We got some more Yeezys that came in the mail. I actually have to go ahead and fulfill some pre-orders, so I'm gonna get to that now. Okay guys, I messed up a little bit. I sold my buddy about 6 Yeezys for $17.70. One thing to note about selling to bulk buyers is that usually your profit margins are going to be lower than if you were to sell the sneakers one by one. And maybe a few days ago, I sent Flight Club a huge box. I was able to fit, I think, 9 sneakers inside of that one box for $26. So if it's $26 for a huge box, for a smaller box, it should be even cheaper. I totally forgot to consider the fact that the judge who I sold my sneakers to lives across the country. So how bad can it be? Maybe $50, $60 shipping for 6 shoes. I looked at the price and I almost could not believe what I was seeing. $91.49. I was thinking I made a mistake, that maybe I added an extra 0. That absolutely just cut into my profit margins. I messed up on this one, but I was able to get rid of some Yeezys because I still have a lot more coming in. We have Eric Emmanuel Reeboks dropping today, mostly going to be on Shopify websites. So Shopify has really strong anti-bot right now, therefore I am not 100% confident in being able to get these. And it is rumored that these were going to be super limited. We'll see if we end up getting anything. Oh shit, okay, alright. Mountains. What? What are you talking about, dude? Payment error. Nice. Okay, I just copped a Jordan 12 size 9. I wonder if I could go for another one. Okay, it's sold out now. Why do I do this all the time? I always try to multitask and I know I suck at multitasking. I didn't mess up. Alright, look. Here it is. 150. I go to my task. Here's my price minimum, price max. Right? This shoulda went through. Bunch of shoes came in again. Every single day I've been getting like 10, why do I have AirPods on? Every single day I've been getting like 10 to 15 pairs of shoes. Usually this would be like how many shipments I would get on a good day, but Shoe Palace absolutely changed everything. And this is like on a everyday type thing. So I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna unbox them, see what we got. Here are the shoes unboxed. I do have to say, I copped way too many of 9.5, but that's okay because they're still profitable and they're certainly gonna go up in price down the line. However, the 9.5s, I'm probably just gonna get rid of it. I don't want any of that size. There are going to be a lot of very important drops this month, so for any shoes that I don't want to hold on to for the long term, I'm just gonna get rid of. However, for the smaller sizes, I am probably gonna hold on to most of those. In about 30 minutes, Shoe Palace is going to be dropping the smoke grays again. Dude, these guys have infinite stock. I'm running palacebot and I am testing out my buddy's Shoe Palace bot that is in development. I don't think there's a proper name for it yet, but it's called Shoe Palace right now. And the branding is a Peppa Pig. We'll see how many I end up getting and we'll see if Shoe Palace ends up working. Okay, I just gotta check out. Oh, that was me. Oh, sorry guys. I thought I was just talking to myself on the camera again. 7 checkouts so far. 8. 9. Okay, I'm it up, dude.
Ayo, God, this you?
Alright, I got 12 checkouts so far. Sizes just went out of stock. I'm still getting carts though. Oh, okay, size 5. Okay. I'm getting these with Origin. I swapped out my batteries and I came back and I have 21 total checkouts now. Oh shit. I'm at 26 now. I think I'm about to run out of credit. I ran out of credit, boys. Gonna use a different card. Dude, I can't even imagine how many checkouts I missed out on. I just noticed that I'm out of credit. Alright, checkouts coming in again for me. Let's go! That drop was actually insane. So I got a total of 48 checkouts. This was all from palacebot using Origin proxies. For Shoe Palace, one of the guys there got 20 checkouts using that bot. Unfortunately for me, I didn't get anything because I messed something up. So it was just 100% user error. But either way, 48 checkouts. I'm looking forward to unboxing those, but I need to get rid of shoes extra fast now because I'm running out of money because I'm not moving my shoes fast enough and I'm just copying too much. Guess that's a good problem to have. Here is today's shipment. We got some Yeezy 350s, we got some Jordan 1s, and we have some Jordan 12s in this box. And this is the box that I was talking about when I say you can order 4 Jordan 12s in a single checkout. So here it is. This is the first time I'm getting something like this. So let's take a look at it and how they packed it. Ah, perfect. It's awesome. So these are all size 10s. We made a bunch of sales on eBay, Flight Club, and Stadium Goods. I have to admit that some of these profit margins are straight up embarrassing. But for most of these shoes where it is like that, they're mainly bricks that I just wanna kinda let go of, because I have been spending a lot of money and there are tons of releases coming up this month, and I want to make sure I can get as much as I possibly can for all of the releases. And you know how it goes with palacebot. Basically, we can get tons and tons of pairs, so I want to make sure I have enough money for releases that do give me a lot higher profit margin. Speaking of Shoe Palace, today I got my first set of cancellation emails. This is how many pairs got canceled so far. It's saying that the reason is because it's a 1 pair per customer shoe. Well, I mean, we kind of knew that, right? But they shipped over a bunch of pairs as well, so I think it is really just random. And throughout all this time, I never did any sort of jigging. So moving forward for the Satin release, I will try to run more profiles and do some jigging to hopefully prevent those cancellation emails. Here is today's shipment: some Yeezys, a Jordan, and we have another big box from Shoe Palace of Jordan 12s. I feel like death right now. I could not sleep last night or the night before that, so I'm like super tired and my focus is going to be so out of whack today, and I'm going to make like 100,000 mistakes. I know it, man. But we are going for the Jordan 1 Satin Snakeskins with a focus on the bigger sizes. However, if I was being smart, to be honest, I would pass on basically all the drops except for Shoe Palace, because most of the websites with really high stock, they have a really high likelihood of giving you loans as well. So I'm going to be just doing a light setup. I'm going to be experimenting a little bit on Shopify, especially since I don't think I have it fully down yet, so I want to experiment to see if I could try to figure it out. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god, dude, I picked up the baby pairs. Oh, interesting. I think I'm gonna stop my tasks. Some people are saying that Dreamtown Shoes has infinite stock. Okay, so I didn't hit anything, but I think that's a blessing in disguise. Next drops at 10. Oh, there's a question on DTLR. What's up? It's not even showing the whole question. The sizes didn't load? Okay. Got 3 order confirmations. Oh dude, I just hit a bunch. I'm gonna close out of Cyber. Because Finish Line is giving me loans, and fuck that, right? Okay, I'm starting to check out more on Shoe Palace. Have you ever worked on something and it's an activity that you're decent at? Not the best, but you're pretty good. And then all of a sudden, during all those hours of practice, something just clicks. Next thing you know, you're unstoppable. Guess how many I have so far? I'm almost at 100. Oh yeah, that's a shipping email. That's not a checkout email. What is happening? They're shipping already. I'm checking out more. I'm over 100 pairs. I'm over 100 pairs. Checking out more. I'm checking out more. Holy crap. Dude, the checkouts are just like, it's going faster than ever. It's going faster than ever. It just keeps coming in. Okay, some time has passed, and the reason why I'm not showing my screen all the time is because, to be honest, this is a little bit boring. but so far doing really freaking good. So one email has 93 checkouts, one email has 9 checkouts, and then the other email has 57 checkouts. That's a lot of checkouts, guys. So I'm still going. I think I'm just gonna keep going until it's sold out, because these are doing really well as far as resale price. Oh, that's why I'm not checking out anymore. I maxed out my 4th card. Do I have any more cards left? Oh, I do. I have my personal credit card. We'll do that. Check out some Alright, got a few more. Wonder if we can get that number to 100. That's the goal right now. We gotta get 100 checkouts on one email. Okay, boom, just got a checkout. Ooh, there we go, 2 checkouts. Finally, it went out of stock. Whew, that about sums up the release. I don't have any more money left, and we still got some more releases tomorrow and the day after that. I guess that's a good problem to have. Okay, signing out for today. A lot of those orders are being shipped out already. I hope they ship all of them. I used totally brand new profiles, brand new billing, brand new everything. Really looking forward to that. Anyways, some shoes did arrive. Here we have 2 Stussies. Let's see what they look like. It's interesting. I really like this part though. As for the rest of the sneaker, it's alright. I'm not crazy about it. It just occurred to me that these don't have any laces. So the 2 sizes that came in are size 10 and 10.5. I'll probably try to sell one right away. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, but what I do know is I do need to start selling a lot. Like, I can't just hold on to everything. And we also have more shoes that came in. Gotta unbox that. We got 12 Jordan 1s that came in the mail. So most of these are size 8s, which is actually amazing because size 8 is probably one of the best men's sizes apart from the other basically mythical sizes underneath the size 7.5. Speaking of Jordan 1s, we still have more Jordan 1s tomorrow, dropping on none other than my favorite platform right now, Shoe Palace. We got the Jordan 1 Tokyos. Apparently these are gonna be super duper limited, and I'm not sure if my proxies are burnt out already. I'm not sure what's going on, but we're gonna try our best for tomorrow. Will I end up getting Jordan 1 Tokyos tomorrow? We're gonna find out on the next episode.